The ISLM model, a framework for short-run macroeconomic analysis. The ISLM model serves as a fundamental macroeconomic tool for analyzing the short-run interaction between the goods market and the money market. It determines equilibrium levels of output Y and interest rates R, assuming fixed prices. 1. The IS curve, investment saving curve. Equilibrium in the goods market. The IS curve represents combinations of interest rates and output where the goods market is in equilibrium, meaning aggregate demand equals aggregate supply. 1.1. Derivation of the IS curve. 1. Aggregate demand, AD. AD equals C plus I plus G plus NX. Where is to C equals consumption I equals investment G equals government spending. NX equals net exports. 2. Consumption function. C equals C plus C of YT. Where C equals autonomous consumption, C equals marginal propensity to consume. MPC Y equals income. Output. T equals taxes. 3. Investment function. I equals I doctor. Where I equals autonomous investment, D equals sensitivity of investment to interest rates, R equals interest rate. 4. Exogenous variables, government spending, G, and net exports, NX, are assumed to be exogenous. 5. Equilibrium condition. Y equals C plus I plus G plus NX, substituting the consumption and investment functions. Y equals C plus E of Y, T plus I doctor plus G plus NX. 6. Solving for Y. Y equals C plus I plus G plus N, X C T by 1 minus C, minus D by 1 minus C. This equation represents the IS curve, which is downward sloping due to the inverse relationship between interest rates and output. 2. The LM curve, liquidity preference money supply curve. Equilibrium in the money market. The LM curve represents combinations of interest rates and output where the money market is in equilibrium, meaning money demand equals money supply. 2.1. Derivation of the LM curve. 1. Money demand function, L equals L of Y plus L of R. A common linear form, L equals KYHR, where H to K equals sensitivity of money demand to income, H equals sensitivity of money demand to interest rates. 2. Money supply, M equals M by, where M by equals exogenous money supply controlled by the central bank. 3. Equilibrium condition, L equals M. Substituting the money demand function, KYHR equals M. 4. Solving for R. R equals KYM by H. This equation represents the LM curve, which is upward sloping due to the direct relationship between income and interest rates. 3. Equilibrium in the ISLM model. Equilibrium occurs at the intersection of the IS and LM curves, where both the goods market and the money market are simultaneously in equilibrium. 3.1. Mathematical solution for equilibrium. 1. IS curve. Y equals C plus I plus G plus N x CT. 1 minus C minus D by 1 minus CR. 2. LM curve. R equals KYM by H. 3. Substitute R from the LM curve into the IS curve. Y equals C plus I plus G plus N x CT by 1 minus C minus D by 1 minus C KYM by H. 4. Solve for Y. This involves algebraic manipulation to find the equilibrium output Y. 5. Solve for R is to substitute Y into the LM curve equation to find the equilibrium interest rate R. 4. Shifts in the IS and LM curves. Shifts in the IS curve. Rightward shift. Increased G, increased C or I, decreased T. Leftward shift. Decreased G, decreased C or I, increased T. Shifts in the LM curve. Rightward shift. Increased M by, decreased money demand, lower K or H. Leftward shift. Decreased M by, increased money demand, higher K or H. 5. Applications of the ISLM model. Fiscal policy. Expansionary. Increased G. Decreased T shifts IS right, increasing Y and R. Contractionary. Decreased G. Increased T shifts IS left, decreasing Y and R. Monetary policy. Expansionary. Increased MY shifts LM right, decreasing R and increasing Y. Contractionary. Decreased MY shifts LM left, increasing R and decreasing Y. Liquidity trap. At very low interest rates, the LM curve becomes horizontal, rendering monetary policy ineffective. 6. Limitations of the ISLM model. Assumes fixed prices, short-run analysis, ignores expectations and long-run growth, simplifies the economy by focusing only on the goods and money markets. 7. Summary of equations. 1. Is curve. Y equals C plus I plus G plus N x Ct. 1 minus C minus D by 1 minus CR. 2. LM curve. R equals KYM by H. 3. Equilibrium. Solve IS and LM equations simultaneously to find Y and R. The ISLM model provides a valuable framework for understanding the interplay between fiscal and monetary policies in the short run, despite its inherent limitations.